Hey, Doc Steph here on the Watchman's Voice, and here is my 2 minute thought. Have you ever noticed how quiet it feels when you are in a room full of people, but nobody is actually saying anything that matters? The noise is there, but the substance, the truth, it is missing, which brings me to today's Watchman's Voice, the sound of the remnant. Coming from Isaiah chapter 58, verse 1. Cry aloud, do not hold back. Lift up your voice like a trumpet. Declare to my people their transgression, to the house of Jacob their sins. There is a sound rising, but it is not coming from the places that usually demand attention. It is not found in the noise of the crowd or the performances of the culture. It is coming from the remnant, the faithful few who refuse to be silenced by fear or diluted by compromise. We're living in a time where deception speaks loudly and truth is often buried beneath convenience and confusion. But God has never relied on the crowd to carry his message. It has always been the remnant, the ones who are willing to live consecrated, to walk in obedience, and to lift their voice when the hour demands it. Isaiah 58:1 tells us plainly, cry aloud, do not hold back, lift up your voice like a trumpet. That's not a suggestion, it is a charge. And in the moment of history, heaven is still looking for those who will carry the sound of clarity in a culture of confusion. The sound of the remnant is not rooted in popularity. It does not need a platform to be powerful. It is rooted in purity. It is rooted in obedience. And when the truth is under attack, the remnant does not shrink into silence. We sound the alarm. We speak when it is costly. We intercede when it is inconvenient. We remain rooted when the crowd runs in another direction. We do not need to blend in. We need to let our lives, our prayers, and voices declare that truth still stands and the remnant is still watching, still praying, and still speaking. So the remnant becomes the sound. This is Doc Steph on the Watchman's Voice.